Here's the news of the day for March 17th, 2025. Moya Aero just secured a $2 million grant to develop an AI-powered ground control system for cargo drones. This system will optimize routes, reduce emissions, and allow one operator to manage multiple drones at once.
Virgin Atlantic and Joby Aviation are teaming up to launch electric air taxis in the UK. Imagine flying from Heathrow to Canary Wharf in just 8 minutes on a zero-emission aircraft.
Aeromech secures FAA approval to install SpaceX's Starlink on Citation X jets, bringing high-speed internet to the skies.
ExecuJet MRO Services South Africa has completed a major overhaul on a Falcon 900EX, including wing modifications and a full cabin refurbishment.
Vista Global, the parent company of VistaJet and XO, has secured a $600 million equity investment led by RRJ Capital to reduce Vista's debt and strengthen its financial position.
Airbus partners with Japanese firms to produce sustainable aviation fuel from domestic wood biomass. Could this innovative approach redefine aviation's path to sustainability?
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.